Bushman at work. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. It's the Bushman. All right, let's see if he's gonna scare me. What's your name?
Bushman.
Bushman, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I do have a $2 photo tax.
You're like the center of attention. I got a blog going. Yes.
Yeah.
I like your work.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, man. Have a good one.